Let's take a quick tour of Netrinos. Install on any device. Sign in, and your whole network appears. Reach your Windows PC. Click RDP for Remote Desktop. Log into your PC. Click SMB for file sharing. Access your remote files. Macs work the same way. Click VNC for screen sharing. Click SMB for file sharing. Access your remote files. Not every device can run Netrinos software. A NAS, a camera, a printer. Share those through a local Netrinos device. On your desktop, let's create a virtual device. Scan. Pick the device. Add it. Edit the name. Now it has its own address on the mesh. Back on the laptop, the NAS shows up in your list. Click HTTPS. Agree to the security warning. LAN devices cannot have valid SSL certificates, but your Netrinos connection is always encrypted. Click SMB for file sharing. Same as before. Access your files. The router has no port forwards. The NAS has no public address. Now let's access a cloud server. Click SSH for Secure Shell. Look at the source address, 100.127, not a public IP address. Accessing live video from a camera normally requires port forwarding, a relay service, or a cloud-based video recorder. Not here. Copy the URL. Paste the camera URL into VLC. There is no need to open ports. The camera is not exposed to the internet. And now, on your phone, copy the URL and paste into VLC. Edit the camera URL. Works just like before, and it's just as secure. Netrinos. It's like a LAN that spans the internet. Try it for free at netrinos.com.